Do you see that? The heater cartridge is going to fall out. It's melting the aluminum. Now I'm going to take an Allen wrench and just kind of poke it and see what happens. Oh my gosh, that's liquid. That's molten aluminum there. Holy cow. If this was printing, it would be sweeping this molten pile of aluminum back and forth and possibly dropping it on some stuff. So this is incredibly dangerous. I don't know if I would buy one of these Mingda Magician X2s because this is a little bit problematic. That's like absolutely ridiculous. Oh man. Now that molten pile of aluminum has fallen onto this little thing, and yeah, this is like worst case scenario. So this is another reason why you shouldn't leave your 3D printer running unattended. And remember everyone, this printer has a properly implemented thermal runaway protection, but due to the unique failure of this hardware, it's unable to stop itself because it doesn't recognize there's a problem. So I think it's time to cancel this experiment. I'm going to turn the power off. We'll turn the lights back on and get this room ventilated.
Oh my goodness.